The National Sports Day in India is celebrated on 29th of August on the birth anniversary of the legend hockey player Major Dhyan Chand Singh. Major Dhyan Chand was born on 29th of August 1905 in Allahabad to British Indian Army employee Samveshwar Singh and Sharda Singh. Due to his father's frequent official transfers, he was not able to keep pace in academics and dropped down studies after schooling of just 6 years. Initially, he was interested in wrestling, but after joining the Indian Army at the age of 16, he got more inclined towards the field hockey. He used to undergo army training during the daytime and practice hockey in the moonlight. Soon, he left everyone spellbound with his eye-catching performance. He earned 3 Olympic gold medals in 1928, 1932 and 1936. He was also bestowed by the India's third highest civilian award, Padma Bhushan, by the Government of India when he got retired from the Indian Army.
सोचा कहा था ये जो हो गया, माना कहा था ये लो हो गया। चुटकी कोई काटो ना हो हम तो होश में, कदमों को थामो ये है उड़ते जोश में। बादल पे पाँव है या झूठा गाँव है, अब तो भाई चल पड़ी अपनी ये नाव है। बादल पे पाँव है या झूठा गाँव है, अब तो भाई चल पड़ी अपनी ये नाव है। ये चल पड़ी है हम सफर, अजनबी तो है डगर। लगता हमको मगर कुछ कर देंगे हम मगर, ख्वाब में जो दिखा पर था छिपा बस जाएगा वो नगर। रे 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 रे, बादल पे पाँव है या झूठा गाँव है, अब तो भाई चल पड़ी अपनी ये नाव है। बादल पे पाँव है या झूठा गाँव है, अब तो भाई चल पड़ी अपनी ये नाव है। ये
As we know that Dhyan Chand is known as wizard or magician for his immaculate ball control. Here are some of his achievements. Dhyan Chand had made the Indian Army hockey team for their tour of New Zealand in 1926, impressing one and all with its energy and understanding of game. He made it to the Indian team in 1928 for the Olympics in Amsterdam, Netherlands. Dhyan Chand helped India to win 3 Olympic gold medals in 1928, 1932 and 1936. India won gold in 1936 under the captaincy of Olympics. India won field hockey event in 7 out of 8 from 1928 to 1964, much due to the influence and the platform set by the legendary player. The Wizards scored a mammoth of around 570 goals in 185 matches. The Government of India awarded Dhyan Chand as the India's third highest civil honor of Padma Bhushan in 1956. By this, August 29 is celebrated as National Sports Day in our country on occasion of his birthday. The National Stadium capital in New Delhi is also named after him. Now, the Khel Ratna Award is being also renamed the Major Dhyan Chand Khel Ratna Award. Thank you.
Give me fire, give me reason, take me higher. See the champions take the field now. Unify us, make us feel proud. In the streets our heads are lifting as we lose our inhibition. Celebration, it surrounds us. Every nation, all around us. Singing forever young, singing songs underneath the sun. Let's rejoice in the beautiful game. And together at the end of the day, we all say, when I get older, I will be stronger. They'll call me freedom, just like a waving flag. I get older, I will be stronger. They'll call me freedom, just like a waving flag. So wave your flag, now wave your flag, now wave your flag. Oh, 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 oh. Fire, give you reason, take you higher. See the champions take the field now. Unify us, make us feel proud. In the streets our heads are lifting as we lose our inhibition. Celebration, it surrounds us. Every nation, all around us. Sing forever young, singing songs underneath the sun. Let's rejoice in the beautiful game. And together at the end of the day, we all say, when I get older, I will be stronger. They'll call me freedom, just like a waving flag. I get older, I will be stronger. They'll call me freedom, just like a waving flag. So wave your flag, now 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 wave your flag.
Is celebrated on 29th August every year across the whole country. The day raises awareness about the physical activities, sport and overall health. It is celebrated to mark the birthday of hockey legend Major Dhyan Chand, who won various gold medals for India. Prime Minister Narendra Modi tweeted, "Today on National Sports Day, we pay tribute to Major Dhyan Chand, whose magic with the hockey stick can never be forgotten." This is also a day to laud the outstanding support given by the family, coaches and support staff towards the success of our talented athletes. As we all know that sports develop a sense of friendliness and team spirit, that is teamwork. It helps to develop physical toughness and mental health. It shapes the body, makes it strong and active. Here are some quotes by great sport personalities. As said by Mary Kom, I being a mother of two can win a medal, so can you all. Take me as an example and don't give up. She says that we should take her as an example to achieve our goals. If she can, then why can't we win a medal? As said by PV Sindhu, your dreams are what define your personality, what define your individuality. they have the power to give you wings and make you fly high. According to her, we should have high hopes and dreams and follow it to achieve our success. As said by Sachin Tendulkar, when people throw stones at you, you turn them into milestones. He simply said this sentence. This has a huge meaning. This is a motivational statement where it suits all kinds of works, all kinds of problems. If we consider the stones as stepping stones, then surely we will win. Recently, Neeraj Chopra has won a gold medal in javelin throw. By being awarded the gold medal at Olympics, now Neeraj Chopra has become India's second scorer of gold medals after Abhinav Bindra. An Olympics of India history, 121 years after a medal is won in athletics by Neeraj Chopra as a gold medal. We are proud to have such sport personalities in our India. Thank you.
The man who started his career as a soldier, the man who was behind the golden era of the Indian water, the man who scored more than 400 goals, the man who rejected the great offers which was ordered by the great detectors, and his birthday is celebrated as National Sports Day, is the wizard Major Dhyan Chand.
It is not my country's duty to push me ahead. It is my duty to push my country ahead.
The joy of playing and the movements of smile, the freedom of performing and the opportunity to showcase, the chase of victory